standing line from this point. Bas. Now sleeping line. Draw long line. Very good. From this side. Very good. Now give your point here. Hmm. Hmm. Here also. Now draw the line from. Very good. Now from this side. Yes. Now sleeping line draw. Very good. Now cross line. Draw cross line. From this point to this point, draw the cross line, Sharanya. Very good. Very nice. Now draw standing line from this point. Where is my finger? Now draw flag here. Flag. Point. Give point here. Here. Where is my finger? Join this point. Very good. From this point to this point. Very good. This is a flag. Okay. Now boat row in the water. Right? Draw the water like this. असं ड्रॉ करा. प्लेटल्स कशी काढतात तू करते तू तशी. वेव्स काढायचे आपण. व्हेरी गुड. waves. Very nice. Now second line. Here also. Draw the waves. Here. Very good. Wow, Sharanya's boat. Wow, very nice. Now color this boat. Okay?